Welcome to Casual Comfort Channel. Summer 2025 is all about lightness, freedom, and styles that effortlessly move with you. Whether you're dancing under the sun, heading to weekend brunch, or just want that I woke up looking fabulous energy. But when the temperatures rise, the last thing you want is a heavy, lifeless haircut weighing you down. This season, it's all about movement, softness, and bold texture, whether your hair is short, thick, curly, straight, or down to your waist. So let's explore 10 of the best summer haircuts for 2025, featuring chic and fresh ideas for every hair type and length. Whether you're into tousled bobs, beachy waves, or bold blunt bangs, we've got your perfect summer look right here. Softly tousled short bob with side part. If you're ready to chop off some length but still want a feminine, flattering style, the softly tousled short bob with a side part is this summer's go-to. It's light, playful, and effortless, exactly the vibe we're craving this season. The cut hits just below the chin and is paired with subtle layers to create that breezy, undone texture. When styled with a light mousse or texturizing spray, you'll get those natural, soft waves that make your entire look feel effortless and modern. This cut is especially great for women with thicker hair, as it removes excess weight while still providing structure and shape. Hot tip: add a deep side part to create asymmetry that lifts the cheekbones and elongates the face. A must-try if you want low-maintenance elegance with a flirty twist. Beachy waves with volume. Nothing says summer quite like beachy waves, but in 2025, we're elevating the look with extra volume and dimension. This isn't your typical salt spray and go style. Think of it as the more refined, grown-up sister to last year's loose waves. The layers are cut to add volume around the crown, and the ends are lightly textured to enhance movement. Ideal for medium to long hair, this style thrives with balayage highlights or a sun-kissed ombre that mimics natural summer light. It's romantic, casual, and unbelievably flattering, especially on women with medium to thick hair. Bonus styling hack: use a large barrel curling iron and alternate curl directions for that effortless bounce. A root-lifting spray can also add that bit of drama right where you need it. Dimensional blonde waves with curtain bangs. If you want to go lighter for summer and are craving a major refresh, this one's for you. Dimensional blonde waves paired with curtain bangs are trending hard in 2025, and for good reason. The layers bring out the depth of blonde highlights, while the curtain bangs frame your face in the most flattering way. This look suits long and medium hair best and works wonders on naturally wavy or fine hair, giving it the illusion of volume and fullness. The overall feel is dreamy and polished without feeling done up. Pro styling tip: air dry for a more lived-in texture, or use a diffuser if your hair has a natural wave. Finish with a shine mist to make those blondes shimmer in the sun. Loving these summer haircuts so far? Which one is calling your name? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling us which haircut you're planning to try this summer. Your support helps this channel grow, and we love hearing from our amazing community of stylish women from around the world. Now let's get back into these fresh summer looks. Defined curls with natural volume. Curly-haired ladies, this one is your summer moment to shine. In 2025, it's all about embracing your natural curl pattern with definition, moisture, and volume. This haircut focuses on shaping the curls to fall in a flattering silhouette, typically with layers that avoid the dreaded triangle shape. It's not about shrinking or taming curls, it's about letting them breathe and bounce freely. This style is perfect for women with type 3 curls who want a haircut that celebrates volume without the frizz. Styling essentials: hydration is key. Opt for a leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and a diffuser for that juicy, defined look. Ask your stylist for curl-by-curl dry cutting for the most precise results. Candy-colored bob with blunt bangs. Bold, playful, and totally unexpected, this cut is for the fashion-forward. A candy-colored bob in shades like lilac, peach, mint, or rose combined with sharp blunt bangs gives off instant cool girl energy. It's a creative and artsy choice for women who want to make a statement this summer. The blunt cut gives structure, while the soft pastel hue adds an ethereal, dreamlike quality. Bonus points if your stylist adds a glossy finish. Hello, liquid hair trend. Who's it for? Women with fine to medium hair textures looking to boost personality and edge. It's especially great for those who want a shorter style that still feels unique and high impact. Pro tip: maintain the color with sulfate-free products and color depositing masks that refresh your tone between salon visits. Textured lob with subtle balayage. The textured lob is making a major comeback in 2025, but this time it's softer, lived-in, and sun-kissed. Perfect for medium to thick hair, this shoulder grazing style gives you that modern edge without the weight. The beauty of this cut lies in the airy layers that add shape and bounce, while the subtle balayage adds depth and dimension, mimicking the natural way the sun lightens your hair in summer. The result? A carefree, tousled look that works whether you're brunching with friends, heading to the office, or relaxing poolside. It's stylish, versatile, and refreshingly low maintenance. Pair it with curtain bangs or leave the front longer to frame your face. Either way, this haircut screams effortless sophistication. Long layers with face framing highlights. For those who love the feel of long hair flowing down their back but still crave shape and volume, long layers are your go-to. In 2025, the magic happens when you pair these layers with delicate face framing highlights. This look flatters every face shape and adds just the right amount of brightness around your eyes and cheekbones. These highlights aren't chunky or overly bold, they're soft, sunlit, and ultra-natural looking, as if you've just returned from a dreamy beach vacation. The long layers prevent your hair from feeling heavy or flat while keeping that romantic, feminine appeal. It's ideal for anyone who wants to keep their length but still wants movement and glow. Before we reveal more hair magic, let's pause for a quick second. If you're loving these summer-ready styles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below to let us know which haircut is calling your name this season. Whether you're thinking of a bold change or just a soft refresh, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's jump right back into the hairspiration. Smooth brunette mid-length cut. Sometimes, sleek simplicity is the most powerful style statement. This smooth mid-length haircut is tailored for women who love a polished, sophisticated look without any fuss. Falling just below the collarbone, this blunt or slightly feathered cut is ideal for thick hair, as it helps remove bulk while keeping the hair's natural richness. And if you're rocking a deep chocolate or espresso brunette tone, this cut will enhance the depth and sheen of your color like never before. It's incredibly elegant with minimal effort, perfect for busy summer mornings. Whether you wear it straight, slightly curled, or tucked behind the ear with a bold earring, this haircut is all about subtle, striking beauty. Windswept texture and light layers. This is the summer of movement, and nothing says that better than a haircut full of light, breezy layers. Designed to look like you've just stepped off a beach with the wind in your hair, this cut is all about carefree vibes. It works beautifully on short bobs or mid-length cuts and gives volume without the weight. Ask your stylist for airy layers that lift from the crown and slightly piecey ends that create that windswept effect. Add a bit of sea salt spray or texturizing mousse, and you've got a summer look that's effortlessly chic. It's also the perfect cut to air dry, ideal for hot days when you want to skip the blow dryer and still look put together. Long boho layers with soft fringe. If your style leans romantic, free-spirited, and just a touch vintage, you're going to fall in love with this look. Long boho layers with a soft fringe are making waves this summer, literally. These long, flowing layers encourage natural wave and curl patterns to shine, giving your hair movement and softness. Add in a wispy fringe that lightly grazes the brows, and you've got a face-framing detail that feels fresh and youthful. This style is incredibly flattering for oval, heart, and even round face shapes, and it pairs perfectly with lightweight summer dresses, wide brim hats, and sun-drenched days. Think of it as your hair's version of a summer romance. So whether you're craving a breezy bob, voluminous beach waves, defined natural curls, or a daring pastel chop, summer 2025 has a haircut just for you. These looks are not only trendy, they're wearable, confidence-boosting, and designed to celebrate your natural beauty, texture, and flair. Let your hair tell your story this summer, whether it's carefree, chic, or boldly colorful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to tell us which style made your heart skip a beat. New videos drop every week with the latest in hair, fashion, and beauty, so stay tuned and stay stylish. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep glowing.